friends! Welcome back to Global English Talk. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thank you so much for listening today.
We're very happy you're here. Today's topic is work and jobs.
Yes, work is part of daily life. Many people work every day.
Don't worry, this lesson is easy English.
A 1 to a 2 level. Simple sentences. We repeat important words.
So relax, smile, and let's learn English together. Tom, do you work?
Yes, I do. I work every day.
Friends, listen. Work means do a job.
Sarah, what do you do?
Don't worry, this lesson is easy English.
Good. Friends, I'm a teacher means this is my job.
Tom, what is your job?
I'm an office worker.
Nice. Friends, job means the work you do.
Sarah, where do you work?
I work at a school.
Friends, work at means the place you work.
Tom, do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job, but I need coffee.
Everyone needs coffee at work. Let's explain some important words. Job, the work you do. Work, do your job. Office, a place to work.
Teacher, a person who teaches. Worker, a person who works. Company, a business place.
Very good. Okay, friends, repeat after me. I have a job. I work every day. I'm a teacher. I work at a school.
Great, now repeat after me. I work in an office. I like my job. My job is good. I go to work in the morning.
Excellent. Keep practicing. Now let's listen to a short story about our friend Anna.
Yes, Anna has a job.
Anna works in a restaurant.
She is a cook.
Friends, cook means a person who makes food.
Anna goes to work at 9 a.m.
She cooks food and helps customers.
After work, Anna is tired but happy.
She says, I like my job. Tom, where does Anna work?
She works in a restaurant.
What is Anna's job?
She is a cook.
Is Anna happy with her job?
Yes, she is.
Tom, what time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30.
Friends, start work means begin your job.
Sarah, what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Friends, finish work means stop working.
After work, I relax.
Me too. Work is important, but rest is important.
Let's review today's keywords and phrases. Job, the work you do. Work, do your job. Teacher, a person who teaches. Office, a place to work.
Company, business place. Start work, begin your job. Finish work, stop your job. Like my job, feel happy about work.
Great job today, everyone.
Thank you so much for listening to Global English Talk.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Your support helps our channel grow.
Now, our question of the day. What is your job, or what job do you want?
Write your answer in the comments.
We love learning English with you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.